It's a great day for couples painting with Patty and him from Patricia's Art Emporium. Hope everyone's having a good day. I'm having a good day. Him is having a good day. Welcome into our home. And today I'm hoping to make a masterpiece.
What size? You got a 14 by 14 canvas there?
It's a 14 by 14 canvas, and I put white paint on with some silicone.
DecoArt white?
No, Artist Loft white.
Artist Loft white.
And what I'm doing today is I'm trying to use up some paint that we had.
Oh.
So I'm
thrifty.
using, yes, exactly. I'm using Apple Barrel Sublime Lime.
Lime.
I'm using Folk Art Color Shift Purple. I'm using Folk Art Color Shift Blue Flash. I'm using Apple Barrel Laguna. And I'm using...
I'm. It's all about you all the time, isn't it now?
Today it is, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Apple Barrel Gloss Dandelion.
Oh, gloss dandelion.
What I've already done is I've put the colors into the cup.
Oh, let me see if you get you zoomed
Can you
in
see
on
it?
there. Let's see. Ooh, 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 ooh. Beautiful.
Can you see it?
I can.
Okay. I got 2 cups full.
Oh, you got one just as his brother. You're missing. A little closer. There you go. Okay,
Twins.
beautiful.
All right. I'm going to do flip cup.
Flip cup. Flips.
Flip cups.
Flip cups.
Now,
Oh, boy.
where do I want to do this? La, 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 la,
You're
la.
doing it somewhere near the middle, I'm guessing. Probably here and here. Or here and here. You're just gonna flip, then lift it up, you're not gonna drag, or you're gonna...
No, I'm not going to drag.
You're gonna drag, so you're gonna probably think maybe here and here.
Okay. Ready?
Set.
Go. It's coming out cool. Ready, set, go.
That's a toss cup. That's not just a flip cup.
A toss cup.
A toss cup. Oh
There
yeah,
we
you
go.
toss that sucker. Oh, look at that. That's pretty cool.
Now, too bad I couldn't lift it up and toss it again. But I
If
can't.
you had 2 more cups, you could.
So now I got to figure out what I want to do here.
What are you going to do?
I don't know. What do I want to do here?
It's quite interesting. It's pretty white.
Well, that's because like the colors didn't come out yet.
Huh. It didn't come out?
No, you see any yellow? I don't see any
Yeah, a
yellow.
little there.
No, that's yeah, a little bit of
Oh,
yellow.
you don't think it's all out yet?
I don't know.
Yeah, let's see. Whoosh, there you go. Oh. Pretty cool.
Actually, it looks pretty cool without having anything on the sides and stuff.
There you go. Hit the torch. Say goodbye.
I know, but look, I just put the cup there.
Oh, okay. Hit the torch. Say goodbye. Don't put the cup there anymore. Put the cup down that one, and then you have matching corners.
Pretty cool.
Yeah, there seems to be a lot of yellow in here, but I don't see a whole lot of yellow. It's pretty cute. Look at these over here.
Yeah, I know.
Got gray. Where'd you get gray from?
Blue.
That's blue.
Yeah.
Blue?
Blue.
Blue?
Blue. All right, so let's see. What should I do now?
What should you do? Do you want to bust some bubbles first? Or
Yeah.
no? Yeah, okay. I'll get the bubble buster. Where'd it go? Oh, it's over there.
Please.
I got you. Oh, look at the bubbles bust. You're busting my bubbles.
My bubbles are being busted.
Did I ever tell you little girl school named
Oh,
Bubbles?
jeez.
I did, didn't I?
Yeah, you did. All right, let's see now. What do I want to do? Almost looks like a good one for the hair dryer, doesn't it? Or can we use that other thing?
That'll
What
just
does that
dry
thing do?
it.
Oh, that
That'll
just dries it.
I think you You can probably roll it around a little bit, I think. Maybe if you roll, maybe go this way and then that way and not go those ways, it would be cool. Oh, I like the circle. I think the circle. No, I do. Oh yeah. I think. Give it a blessing and say it's done.
You are too funny, Johnny boy. Too funny.
You don't think so? I like this. I like this though. I like that ring.
Pull it.
Wish you could make two more. Two more rings, you'd be all set, but you haven't got no paint. No, you won't.
I could put paint in there.
It won't be the same.
What if I like pull some?
Yeah, just move it around a little bit. It's still got lots of bubbles in it. I can see a lot of bubbles still.
Okay, so move it.
Now this would be a good day for the edge catcher, would it not? I happen to have it right here for you. If you were to come down to the edge.
Okay. Is it on camera?
Oh, I don't know. I'm guessing. If you were to come to the edge, I'm going to keep it on the canvas. Just let it go. Keep coming. Keep coming, and you're gonna tilt it back towards you, right back, so it goes, so the paint comes back. There you go. Lift it up. There you go. There you go. There, nice. Got the edge painted on for it. For you. Or probably if you want to go back, if you want to turn around this way, and I can be back here for the edge catcher for the other side. Jeez, I finally found something I could do. Catch edges. Okay?
Yeah. This is funny.
It's funny?
Yeah.
Funny, haha?
Yeah. Because it takes two of us to use the edge catcher.
Well, that's a big canvas. Okay, go back. Go back towards you.
Side's done?
Yeah, perfect. Side looks good. You'd make Priscilla happy.
No, because it took both of us to do it.
Well, she's talented. We never said we were talented. You want to go this way?
Yeah.
Or no?
Yeah.
You want to leave the edges white?
No.
Okay.
Ready?
Yep. Okay. Keep coming. Are you doing a fine job of this? It's almost down there. Okay, head on back. Back on down the road. Another.
Yep. Look at all that.
Huh?
Look at all that paint
Tilt
on there.
it towards you.
I know, I'm trying.
Oh. We didn't get this edge yet. Okay. Look at this here, how pretty that is.
I know.
Where'd that come
Look at
from?
all that.
Well, you could scoop it back up and put it on there.
Yeah, maybe we'll scoop it down. Ready?
I am. Not yet. You keep going.
It's gonna go off the thing again.
I'm kind of holding here. I'm holding it there.
Okay?
Okay. Want some here?
There's a whole bunch of, yeah, like swivel it in there, I think.
How am I doing?
Good. Want to use the brush or something?
Well, let's just see how it goes.
You got to get on there, you're not on there yet. And then there's this over here.
Okay. I'm not so much anybody can see what I'm doing.
I know, I don't know if anybody can see anything we're doing. Here,
Do you know how to rotate it around or no? Oh, okay.
I'm sorry.
Go ahead, you can pull it right off if you want.
Huh?
You can brush it right off if you want. Oh, no, don't do that. You know why you're gonna make mud. Yeah, see, you're gonna make mud, don't do that. Do this, lift that up. We need a scoop. Where's the scoop? I just put a scoop in here before. But yeah, you lift it up. You're doing good. Just lift it up in the air. Where do you want to go? Is that what? It'll pour through. Is that white or is that need paint?
That's white. Yeah. No, I mean, that needs, it's canvas, sorry. That's canvas too, I think. No, it's not, it's white, sorry. No, it's hard to see.
Just lift it up and let me get some more paint because I think you just need that corner. It looks like it's gonna be full of bubbles when we get that. I mean, full of. I gotta pick up a scoop. Okay.
This is too.
You need some? I just use this.
No. Let me do it this way.
A little bit of white canvas around here. Oh, these dots then. What is it? That's white, right? Paint on the fingers.
Oh no, I can just do it with this and see.
Morning, I wore gloves.
Oh, you didn't wear gloves
My
now?
pictures. I ended up paint-free hands.
Oh, gee willies.
5 minutes after your picture.
It's pretty colors.
It is. Want me to hit it with this?
Yes, please. Oh, smoking.
Paper.
Oh, is that what it is? A paper? Oh, jeez.
Yeah, well, sit like that a bit. I don't know if they can see how many little bubbles you got in there. Yeah.
Cells, you mean?
Yeah. Cells. I keep thinking about bubbles.
Oh, you and your bubbles. You are too funny, Johnny boy.
Okay.
What do you think?
I think it looks good. Be interesting how it dries. It should
Yeah.
probably be getting more cells like crazy.
Yeah, we'll let it dry, and if we like it, fine. If we don't, it'll just be the background for something else.
You'll see it tomorrow as the background for the next picture.
Yeah.
Got any no facts for today? You haven't got any fun facts?
Yeah, I got facts. I didn't take them out. I'm so unorganized these days, I'll tell you. Okay, so the fact for today is...
What is that?
What?
What's the fact for today?
Did you know all insects have 6 legs?
All insects have 6
6
legs? Oh yeah, because I guess a spider wouldn't be an insect. Doesn't he have eight legs?
Yeah, I think a spider has 8
It's
legs.
an arachnophobia.
Okay, so now you're as smart as us. I would love to have Priscilla Batzell watch this video to see how we worked with the edge catcher, since it took 2 of us. But we did pretty good. I think someday I'm going to do some small ones and then maybe try to work with the edge catcher and see if I can do something good. Anyway, that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and bang the bell.
Bang the bell. What the hell's the bell?
I don't know.
Hold on.
Bang that bell to be notified of new videos. Share with all your friends, family, neighbors, and co-workers. Check out our paintings on eBay at Patricia's Art Emporium. Also check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest. This is Patty and him
That's me.
doing couples painting at Patricia's Art Emporium, saying thanks again for watching, and please be kind to one another and make sure